80 not working problem today, friend. If you are trying to call someone using ATT, the call is not going through and you are also not receiving any incoming call right now. You can only send a text message. If you are facing this problem, let us unknown is the comments. First of all, I want to tell you that this issue is not happening only to you. Many users are reporting that ATT is not working properly and its server appear to be down today. So what problem are people facing? The main issue is outgoing call or not connection, and incoming calls are also not being received. Only text message to be working. If you are experiencing this issue, comment below and let me unknown. Now how can you fix it? First, try restarting your phone. Your internet connection is properly working fine, but after restarting you may simple need to wait for some time. This problem is currently affecting many users. We also check it down detector where reports show that many people are saying ATT is down today, so you just need to be patient with the issue solved. We resolve it automatically and there is not much else you need to.